everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be talking about reseeding your lawn. Now I'm in Southern California and right now is the month of March, last week of March, which is perfect timing to reseed your summer grass. Now in Southern California, this is a great time to reseed. I'm not sure about other states, I'm just familiar with California. You need to purchase a few things. I go to Home Depot. Again, I always go to Home Depot. You can go anywhere you like. That's just where I happen to always go. Okay, on your purchase list, first is manure. Any inexpensive manure is fine. I usually buy steer manure. Yes, it smells hideous, but it only smells bad for about 5 days and then it goes away. You also need to purchase your seeds, specifically for your grass type. I use fescue seeds, which is a good fit for both cold weather and hot weather. So I use it for my winter grass as well as my summer grass. Again, you decide what kind of grass you want and what fits your climate. I also buy fertilizer. Now with that, I don't use that the first week. I hold off on that until I see the seeds start to grow, and then I use the fertilizer. I don't want to burn my grass, so I hold off on that fertilizer for about 2 weeks in, and then I put it on. You should purchase an aerator, which makes little holes in your grass. And that way you can get a mixture of right underneath the mature grass of your seeds and the soil, and you mix the old with the new. I'll show you how to do that. It's super easy. And if you want, you can purchase the seed dispenser and you throw your seeds in and it dispenses it. You don't have to do it manually, but again, it's up to you. It's not expensive, but you can either do it manually or use the dispenser. I guess that is it. So your first step in this process. Now I did this grass here last week, so now I'm going to show you the steps, what I already did here. First step is you need to mow your grass and have it a nice short length. Second, when you aerate your lawn and you put those holes in your lawn, if you feel a large rock or something large underneath your grass, you need to get those things out. Because if you don't and you leave them there, your new grass is not going to grow nicely in that area. It'll stay brown. So if you feel something large, not a little rock, but something large, take it out. Usually about 5 inches deep. Importantly too, to focus on are weeds. Now some people prefer to use chemical spray to kill the weeds. I feel kind of on the fence about that. I don't like the idea of using chemicals, but if I can do something natural, I will. So honestly, last week I did a ton of work. We had so many weeds on the side of the house and I pulled them out manually and it was a lot of work. My hands were super tired, but that's okay. It's worth it because I did it without chemicals and it's good exercise, right? So remember to take your weeds out. Fourth step is sprinkling in your seeds in your entire lawn. After you're done with that, you're gonna put your manure on your lawn. The stinky part, yes, I know. Use shoes you don't like because those shoes are gonna stink too. But really this step is important in the process. You don't wanna skip it. So after you've spread the manure out, you're going to take a rake and try to spread it out a bit evenly on the grass. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, it's important to water your grass for the next 2 days. And I know it feels like a lot of water, but you need to do it because it's going to be worth it in the end. The fertilizer you purchased, keep that on hold, and about 1-2 weeks later when you actually see your new grass starting to grow is when you put that fertilizer on. And again, you can use the dispenser or by hand. But what's important is you don't want to put this fertilizer on right away. You're going to burn your grass. So wait until you actually see it starting to grow and then put that fertilizer on. Is this ratio? Again, it depends on your climate. I feel so lucky that I've been able to share with you my brother's secret approach to beautiful grass. I mean, I haven't seen it on any other YouTube channels or anywhere, but his approach is amazing. Last year, when he was able to teach me. I had such gorgeous grass, and so now I feel so lucky that I've been able to share with you his secrets.